Opening a new tax year in the P11D Organiser is quick and easy. Simply go to the Tools menu on the top of your screen and select Year End. A little menu will pop out with 3 options. You will notice the years listed are for the previous and next tax years. These functions can bring data from previous years into your current year or open the next year. We want the option to open a new tax year, so click that. You will then be asked to archive your system. Don't worry if you are yet to submit. All archiving does is protect your year so you don't accidentally modify anything you don't want to. The next question will be about merging. You can merge through ongoing benefits from the previous year if you wish. If you wish to do this later, just click Finish, and just like that, you're in the new tax year. I did say it was easy after all.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.